If Lamborghini's new Revuelto wasn't already dramatic enough for you, Zacoe has just unleashed a wide-body kit that transforms the Raging Bull into something straight out of a supervillain's garage. This is no ordinary tuning job. This is Stage 2 of Zacoe's ambitious project, and it's pushing the boundaries of what we expect from hypercar styling. Think Batmobile meets Italian flair, and you're starting to get the picture. Earlier this year, Zacoe made waves when it unveiled its initial aero kit for the Lamborghini Revuelto, giving the V12 hybrid supercar a more aggressive presence worthy of the SVJ badge. But now, they've taken things to the next level. The Stage 2 wide-body kit doesn't just enhance, it completely transforms. It takes the foundation of the first kit and adds more width, more detail, and more presence, making the Revuelto look like it's ready to storm the gates of Gotham City. Let's break down what makes this kit so extreme. First, every component is crafted entirely from lightweight carbon fiber, ensuring that the dramatic transformation doesn't come at the expense of performance. At the front, Zacoe adds a new hood, aggressive splitter, and sculpted aero blades, which give the supercar an even more focused and menacing look. But the real showstoppers are the flared front fenders. They're not just bolt-on pieces, but full replacements that feature huge air louvers and vents, improving both aerodynamics and heat dissipation. Unlike cheaper body kits that require drilling or simply slap-on extensions, Zacoe's fenders are designed to directly replace the factory units. This ensures OEM-like fitment while offering an entirely new visual signature. It's an upgrade that feels seamless and engineered, not forced. Around the back, it's even wilder. The rear fenders have also been swapped for wider, more aggressive versions that allow for meatier rear wheels, giving the Revuelto a true race-ready stance. A massive swan-neck rear wing towers above the deck lid, improving downforce and giving the car an unmistakable silhouette. Also part of the kit is a new engine cover, featuring a huge roof scoop and a redesigned rear diffuser, which looks like it belongs on a Le Mans prototype. But Zacoe isn't only about visuals. They've partnered with FI Exhaust to develop a custom system specifically for the Revuelto. It features 3D printed exhaust tips, not just for show, but to ensure optimized gas flow and sound performance. So while the car looks like a villain's escape machine, it roars like a beast with even more ferocity than stock. While pricing hasn't been officially announced, it's safe to assume this package won't be cheap. Zacoe's wide-body kit for the McLaren 720 costs nearly $50,000, and with the Revuelto's more complex design and flagship status, the Stage 2 kit will likely command a much higher premium. This isn't just an aftermarket upgrade. It's a bold, artistic statement. It's a show car, a flex, a machine that says its owner isn't just wealthy. They want the world to know they live at the edge of automotive insanity. For collectors, influencers, and supercar enthusiasts, the Zacoe Stage 2 Revuelto offers something the factory simply won't: an unfiltered expression of power, aggression, and supervillain-level styling. If you've ever dreamed of driving something that looks like it was designed by Bruce Wayne's alter ego, Zacoe just made that dream a reality, assuming you can afford it.